everyone, I am Babita. Welcome back to my channel Become Excellent in English. Today in this video, I am going to tell you about how to speak English without stress or pressure. So you must watch this video till the end because in this video, I will completely discuss about it. And this video is going to very splendid for you all. That is why you must watch this video till the end. So without wasting time, let's begin the video. Guys, in this video, I will not share any trick, point, technique, style, way with you because this video is going to very splendid for you all, and this video is related to how to speak English without stress, frustration, anxiety, pressure, tension. Yes, so that is why you have to sustain in this video and you have to watch this video till the end, and along with it you get lots of information, knowledge how to speak English without stress, without frustration, pressure. So let's see. Here I would tell you, if you really want to speak English better, best, if you really want to become good English speaker or teacher, anything, so you only try to speak English and you don't have to think about anything that comes up. You just keep practicing, learning and speaking English. Yes, overall this video is based on how to speak English without tension, anxiety, pressure. Yes, of course, this video is really based on these things. So if you really want to speak English better, best, so you have to avoid your pressure, anxiety, tension, frustration. Yes, this is 100% right. Why am I emphasizing on how to avoid pressure, anxiety or tension? Because if you don't avoid pressure, tension, anxiety or anything, so you will be not capable to speak English better or best. You can think about these things for sometimes, but you don't have to always think about your goal, your career. Yes, you have determined that I have to complete my goal, my destination, my career. So of course, why not? If you don't avoid your frustration, your anxiety, so I think you will be not capable to speak English. As you know, everything is possible. So why do you take tension? No, you should not take tension. Yes, if you always think about, yes, everything is going well. To speak fluent and super English is not just a couple of days. It takes time. That is why I always emphasize on how to do practice English speaking regular. Even if you do practice regular, but unless you understand and think in English, you will not capable to speak English. That is why I always think you speak whatever you know. It does not matter your English speaking should be better from the beginning level, from the starting stage, from the initial stage. No, it only does matter how do you want to speak English and how do you practice for English speaking, and how much courage do you have, and how much curiosity do you have for English speaking. To learn any type of language, there is a requirement of determination, persistence, and consistency, curiosity, desire. Well, so I hope you have understood about how to avoid stress while speaking English and for English speaking, and to become best English speaker or teacher or anything. Overall, how do you practice for English speaking and how do you practice to become a best English speaker or teacher or anything? So it's totally up to you. Well, as you know, practice is everything. Well, so practice is everything. Yes, of course we know, but how to do practice? It's most important. If you have a correct direction that how to do practice for English speaking, to become fluent English speaker, confident English speaker, so you all are right and you are the best. Well, you are the best learner. But if you don't know how to do practice for English speaking, so I think you need to guidance and direction that how to become good English speaker, fluent English speaker, and confident English speaker. Well, it does not matter how is your English speaking level. It only does matter how do you want to do practice for English speaking, for English fluency. Well, so, are you ready to become fluent English speaker or confident English speaker? If you are ready to become fluent and confident English speaker, I will teach you and I will give you a lots of suggestions and ideas, information related to how to become fluent and confident English speaker. Guys, here I would like to tell you, if you take stress, anxiety, pressure, tension about your goal, career, or anything, so you will not crack your exam as well as you will not get anything like your fluency, confidence, and English speaking speed. Well, you have to avoid these things. These things are totally related to frustration, anxiety, nervousness, tension. Yes, to speak a language is not easy from the beginning stage, from the initial stage. To learn a language is not difficult. It will be easy when you do work on this language regular. If you don't know how to communicate in English, I think you must try to communicate in English. To command any type of language, there is a requirement of understanding, thinking, imagination, and accuracy, practice, well, and concentration. So, I hope you have understood about all things. So, I think you have understood about very well how to speak English and how to do practice and how to avoid stress, frustration for English speaking. If you didn't understood about anything from this video, so you don't forget to do comment. Well, if you have understood about all information, ideas, so you don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching my video.